Hi guys, welcome to Gadget. This is Sulabh, and bullets have literally started flying in India in the form of this sweet piece. We've got it in our hands. This is the OnePlus Bullet wireless headphones. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first. That's the box of OnePlus Bullet headphone. Pretty simple box. It's very similar to the ones found on the OnePlus 6. Nothing unusual about it, dressed in white and a small little red logo on top. This is the same pair of headphones that was announced with the OnePlus 6 launch at London. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so as soon as you open it up, you're greeted with these two different little layers inside. I am guessing this one is for, yes, I'm right, it's for the earplugs. You've got different size for different cavities of ear. This should be the carry case. Let me just get it out for you. Yes, and inside you have a USB Type-C charging cable as well. So these are the headphones that you get inside the box. It's kind of a cartoon that has been made on top of the box. So let me just pull those out. Let's see how you take this thing out. Okay, another layer. In this box, you get a safety instruction manual and the user manual. Right, so these are the OnePlus Bullet headphones. It is all weatherproof, splash proof, water resistant, though the company does not have any official IP67 or 68 rating, but they do say that it is water and splash resistant. The specifications of these include Bluetooth 4.1, 8 hours of battery backup for music playback, almost 10 hours for voice calling, 255 hours of standby time. And the best part about these is that it is magnetically controlled. If you put them together like this, the music stops. As soon as you pull them apart, the music will start again. The battery is inside these two components on the neckband itself. You can charge this device with the phone charger that you get with the OnePlus 6 using the USB cable of the OnePlus 6 charger, or the one that is available with these headphones as well. This one, which is very similar to the ones that you get with the OnePlus 6 itself. The wire also has volume control, and I'm also guessing this is the call button. So the OnePlus Bullets wireless do retail for about 3,990. These are going to be available in the market very soon. First impressions of the headphones is that it's quite nice. It's nice to hold, and they do come across as premium. I mean, I don't feel that this is cheap rubber or cheap metal buds. It is something that definitely would go with your outfits and stuff. Definitely something we are going to try and let you know more about. Okay, so those are the OnePlus Bullet headphones. If you did like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Do hit that like button, and also you can follow us on our Instagram channel. This is Sulabh signing off.